contributions made over a number of years by University of Alberta alumni in their local communities and beyond. Our first inductee of the evening is Karima Babri, Bachelor of Arts, 1955, Bachelor of Education, 1967, Master of Education. William exemplifies what it is to have a big heart. As a member of the International Shrine Clown Association, he has brought joy to children for many years as Ding Dong the Clown, receiving the Shriner's Red Nose Award 4 times. He has contributed to many other organizations, including Scouts Canada, which is Recreation Administration. Duncan as the quad father for co-inventing wheelchair rugby. After becoming quadriplegic after a diving accident, he and 4 friends created a game tossing a volleyball around and crashing their wheelchairs into one another. Really? That's how you came up with this, which evolved into wheelchair rugby. Now, through Duncan's efforts, it became a national sport and achieved full medal status at the 2000 Paralympic Games. In 2018, prize. In 1998, the Deep Blue Project was named an IBM Research Extraordinary Accomplishment. A senior manager in the Cognitive Computing Group at IBM Research, his work includes systems for early detection. Fellow of the Association for the Advancement of Artificial Intelligence. Congratulations, Murray. George Cuff, 1974, Bachelor of Arts, Recreation Administration. George is a Softways Asia, a past president of the Alberta Urban Municipalities Association and the Federation of Canadian Municipalities. He has authored 2 how-to books on local government and 3 books in a series entitled Off the Cuff, the first of which has received considerable acclaim across Canada. Congratulations, George. Dance in Canada and recreation teaching. She was honored with the Alberta Centennial Award in 2005. Congratulations, Dorothy. Kenneth Kasha, 1957, Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, 58, Master of Science. Kenneth revolutionized the way plant breeders develop improved cultivars of cereal crops. The breakthrough research he published in 1970 began a new era in plant breeding, greatly simplifying the selection of plant lines with desired traits. An emeritus professor at the University of Guelph, Kenneth has received worldwide recognition for his contributions to world food production. In 1983, he won the Ernest C. Manning Principal Award for Innovation by a Canadian. He was named an Officer of the Order of Canada in 1993. Congratulations, Kenneth. Fozzie Marcos, 1985, Master of Education. Fozzie has had an exceptional career in healthcare, often leading the way in women's health issues. The former chief of the Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology at Edmonton's Misericordia Hospital, he played an important role in changing practices related to childbirth in Alberta, advocating to allow fathers in the delivery room, promoting prenatal classes, and enhancing the mother-child bond by keeping them together in the hospital. Thank you for all of those. Fozzie helped midwifery gain recognition and opened the first menopause clinic in Alberta. Congratulations. Norman Picard, 1974, Bachelor of Arts, 75, Bachelor of Laws. Norman has practiced family law for more than 30 years. As a leader in the profession, he has served on the Ethics and Professional Responsibility Committee of the Canadian Bar Association and as a bencher of the Law Society of Alberta. He has helped promote for more than 35 years. Before becoming the director of the Centre for Mathematics, Science and Technology Education in the Faculty of Education at the U of A, he was an outstanding teacher, principal, and senior administrator. He has authored numerous textbooks, articles, and educational resources, and has worked to significantly improve strategies for teaching. Internationally, Robert works with educators in Norway and has contributed to a UNESCO project developing teacher resources. Congratulations, Robert! Something about it are not the same thing. In 1982, he was a founding member of the Strathcona Shelter Society, a safe haven for victims of family violence. 5 years later, responding to the need for a treatment center for children weighed down by emotional, developmental, and mental health issues, he and his wife used the name of family organizations providing services to children in Alberta and the Northwest Territories. Congratulations, guys. Lori Shortreed, 1985 Bachelor of Arts with Specialization. Lori has used her talents to support access to justice in minority, immigrant, and refugee, rural, and disability communities. She has worked for agencies such as Edmonton's Multicultural Health Brokers Cooperative Limited, Alberta Council of Women's Shelters, and the George Spady Society. She was the first executive director of the Edmonton Community Legal Centre and has volunteered internationally with the United Nations, CUSO International, and the Carter Centre to support minority rights. Master of Education and 1989 Doctor of Philosophy. As a new assistant professor at the University of Alberta, Olive created a mandatory course for third-year students in which they were taught by practitioners directly in the clinical area. Soon, students were placed all over the world. Based on this initiative, she obtained a number of social sciences and humanities research council grants, published extensively, and is consulted nationally and internationally. She has also obtained a number of teaching awards, including a 3M Fellowship. Olive has served as Vice Provost, Academic Programs at the U of A, and is currently Deputy Provost. Congratulations, Olive.